In this video, I'm going to show you how we trigger an S&P 500 trade with over 350 points of profit so far. Alright traders, today we're going to make a good exercise in this S&P. The point is that when we are trading with the Elliott Wave theory, always is subjective, always is hard to find the end of the wave, always is complex to know when, how the wave is going to be over and how we can trigger the trade. So I have been trading with the Elliott Wave theory for years, over 15 years or more, trading every day using the Elliott Wave theory. So I have been developing some tools, some extra little things that help a lot finding the end of the waves. So what we did here on the S&P was that I was able to buy it right here at this rejection, and I was able to capture the whole gap, and I'm looking actually even for more points to the upside, but this was the entry point on this setup. Of course, if you are buying and holding, this is a great setup. If you're swing trading, if you're scalping, whatever, having the bias of the session, having the bias of the market is a huge advantage. So I know that if I tell, hey, I went long here, you're gonna say, okay, yeah, sure. But the point is that I have the recording that was posted in the members area here on Elliott Wave Street. We have a fantastic membership where we cover the markets on a daily basis, and I'm going to share with you that part of the daily analysis of the daily video, because it's extremely important that you can see on the live market. We're traveling back in time, how we can plan the trade before it happens. So it's based on institutional cycles, supply, demand, the structure of the market, and we were finding the end of that wave 2, and look where we are. So it's a great result. So let's do something. Please watch the analysis. It's pretty short, and then we will come back and we will have some final comments. So enjoy. Good morning traders, welcome to the daily wave count update. Today we're starting with the S&P. The S&P has been moving nicely to this area. Yesterday we were talking that here we could have a rejection, and we got the rejection, but the price during the session continued selling off to take out the stops down here. So it's a great institutional cycle. We see it from the point of view of the big guy, because he was able to take out the stops from this area. Don't forget that the big guy doesn't want to share his earnings with others. So of course, if there are buyers here, buyers here, buyers here, buyers here, whatever, like in any level, there are stops here, there are stops here, there are stops here, everywhere, right? But this area is easy, because most traders will say, oh, if I'm long, I'm gonna place a protective stop loss here. So clearly in this narrative, the big guy takes out the liquidity from this area, rejects, as we can see, and starts getting ready for it. So it seems that our Elliott Wave flat formation, it's done as an A, B, and C. And today, with the good news of employment coming down, even with the high interest rates, and it seems that inflation is moving down. Next week we have the inflation report. So if that's confirmed that the inflation is steady or moving lower, we are going to have a pretty good move to the upside on the S&P, probably breaking this area and starting the bullish cycle. So this seems to be a beautiful setup from that point of view. The next step in the process is that we are likely to have some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, then the ABC for wave 2, and from there is the wave 3 expected. So we are likely to have another chance during the corrective leg to do something. We also have been working with the Elliott Wave blocks. First of all, at the beginning of the week, when we were here, we were looking for a move down back into this Elliott Wave block area. Then, when the price crossed down strongly this area, we were looking for the Elliott Wave block down here. The price rejected that one. The price moves nicely to the upside. We were trading this rejection enough to book some profits and not enough to have a break-even trade, don't you think? It's a big distance. It's not one of those that, of course, sometimes happen that is just a tiny move and then continues. In this case, it's enough to book profits. But then the price sell-offs moving below the Elliott Wave block, but rejects. You see how bullish this scenario starts turning up? Then the price moves down and fails to make a lower low and turns and moves higher. Right? So with a little difference, because the price did the low here and we have to extend a little further the second wave instead of having a retrace and the continuation. But you can see that roughly the plan for the week has been working fantastic, right? When we were here, we were looking for the leg down. When we were here, we were looking for the leg down. When we were here, we were looking for the leg up. Unexpected, this leg down. Fine. Rejection, and here we go. So now we're looking for the move up, moving back to this into this area. So you can see how the logic is, you know. Of course, it's impossible to know exactly what is going to happen in the markets. Nobody knows. That is impossible. But it's possible to create a story of the market. It's possible to build a supply and demand story of the market. All right, traders. So it was a great example, and you were able to see what we were planning there on the live markets. I think that repetition is the key to master any technique. So you can watch this video several times, and also you have an idea of the process that we do here on Elliott Wave Street on a daily basis to analyze the markets from the Elliott Wave perspective, but also focusing on how to find the end of the trend, how to find the end of the wave, how to follow the trend or to go against the trend. So if you want to learn more about these exclusive techniques, on ElliottWaveStreet.com, under the membership tab, you can sign up for the membership. In the membership, you can pick Forex stocks or the full access, and you're going to have a daily report on these markets. It's a video that I post every New York morning with the detailed action plan for the session. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to love it. The charts. And also, you're going to have access to education, where you're going to be able to learn the basics of Elliott Wave. We have a great volume profile course inside, the MACD course, and a lot of education inside, plus the daily analysis. So I'll see you inside the membership. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.